Hey, welcome back guys. Now let's talk about how you can change the battery in this key fob here. You don't need any fancy tools, you just need only one battery like this 2032, and you can find this battery everywhere, and also a small flat screwdriver. And now when you're ready, let's begin with the tutorial. Well, the first thing you need to do is turn the key over like this, and right here at the bottom, right here, you see this button. Now you need to slide this button, and you need to slide this back cover to this side to be able to remove it. So you have two covers, one with the logo and one without the logo. So you need to remove this without the logo. And when you remove this cover over here, right after that here you see this piece. This is the piece with the mechanical key. Don't remove it, but if you want to use it, you can find it here. And now when you remove this cover here without the logo, here now you have to remove this silver piece at the top right here. Now when you remove this silver piece over here on this side, take the flat screwdriver and now insert it right here at the top and push, and this way you'll be able to remove also and this piece with the Mazda logo. So when you remove this piece with the logo by pushing with the flat screwdriver over here, right after that you see this cap above the battery over here on this side. So this is here the side with the logo. Now, when you see this cap over here, take again your small flat screwdriver, insert it right here, insert the tip of the screwdriver right here, and push up, and you'll be able to remove this cover very easily. Now when you remove this cover, right after that here, on this side, you see your old dead battery. Again, take your small flat screwdriver, insert the tip only here, and push the battery outside. Now when you remove the battery, here in the same place, just insert your new battery like this, and also make sure it's with the positive side facing up. This step here is very important. Alright, now when you place your new battery over here, take this cap again, make sure you align it perfectly here, like this, and snap them together. Now when you insert this cap here, take this piece with the logo and align it again here, and snap them together also. Now when you do that, take this silver piece, return it back in its place over here. So place this silver piece over here, and when you do that, take this back piece again without the logo, align it here in its place and slide it. And when you slide it, this will snap together, and right after that your key will be ready. You don't need to do anything else after that, it will just work fine. Okay guys, I hope you find this video useful, and take care.